Hi there, and welcome back to my channel Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video we worked on login and register pages UI. Today we will work on integration of both login and register pages. Let's get started now. As I'm in the login page, create a state here using useState. This state will hold all user-entered data. We will add the initial value as an empty strings for all three fields here. Alright, now in the username input field we will add value as userdata.username. And on change method we will create an anonymous method, and in that method we will set the user data value. The user data will get the object of all values user entered, and we will change the username value as entered value. We will repeat the same process in both below fields too. Alright, let's create a submit handler above which used to submit the user entered data. This method will be an asynchronous, and we will add try catch here. In catch block we will throw error on console. In try block we will use Axia to call the API. The endpoint will be /API/auth/register. After that we will send the user entered data to the server. Below, if the response.status is equal to 201, which means created, we will redirect the user to login page. Finally, scroll down a bit, here add an onClick method here and called that method here. Alright, the register page is ready now. Let's do the integration on login page now. Copy the state from registered page and page that state here in login page. Now as login page we don't have username, remove it from the state. Now do the same thing here as we did in register page. As it's done now, let's add a submit handler here too. Alright, to save time, copy the code of submit handler from register page and paste it here in login page. Here we will do some modifications like, the endpoint will be login not register. The status will be 200, which mean OK. We will redirect user to home page as user logged in. Before redirecting user to home page, we will set the token in the local storage, which we are getting from response.data.token. Lastly, scroll down a bit, here add an onClick method here and called that method here. Alright, it's set now, the login page is ready too. The only thing left is to make APIs for it, which we will make in the next videos. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Till then, happy coding.